The Meditorque Elite 3-piece kit is your total restorative package, which includes one E-motor, one 40K nose cone, and one latch contra angle. The Meditorque E-type motor offers a sleek, stainless steel titanium finish design with an industry-standard 4-hole back-end configuration. The variable tuning ring enables you to adjust the speed from 0 to 25,000 RPMs in both forward and reverse. The E-type configuration offers you the versatility to interchange any E-type attachment included in this kit. The Elite 40K RPM nose is compatible with lab burrs, making it ideal for out-of-mouth adjustments. For right-angle procedures, simply remove the nose cone and attach the included 30K RPM contra angle. You keep the 360-degree swivel with all the E-type attachments.